A number of different acts fall into the category of sexual violence,
including rape, sexual assault,
sexual battery,
sexual abuse, and sexual coercion.
One form of sexual harassment occurs when an educational decision or benefit is dependent on an individual's submission to unwelcome sexual conduct. Unwelcome sexual conduct can also create a hostile environment. This happens when it's so severe, persistent, and/or pervasive. This could also unreasonably interfere with an individual's ability to participate in or benefit from an educational program. Sexual harassment can be carried out by school employees, fellow classmates, students from another school, or third-party participants. When your school knows or reasonably should have known of possible sexual harassment or violence, it must take immediate and appropriate steps to investigate what occurred. They will do this regardless of whether or not there is a criminal investigation by campus police or other law enforcement authority. About 90% of sexual assaults on college students are perpetrated by somebody they know. Your school also prohibits the following offenses: domestic violence, dating violence, and stalking. Title IX also protects students and employees from retaliation. Retaliation is intimidating, threatening, manipulating, or in any way discriminating against an individual because of the person's informal or formal complaint or participation in an investigation or proceedings related to sexual violence or other civil rights concerns. Your school must process all complaints of sexual violence involving its students or employees, regardless of where the conduct occurred. If the conduct occurred in the context of an education program or activity on or off campus and/or has continuing effects, then it will be handled in the same way. Reports of sexual harassment, including sexual violence, may be made to your school's Title IX coordinators, campus police or other law enforcement, a crisis hotline, and/or the U.S. Department of Education Office of Civil Rights in Missouri. The sooner you report the incident, the sooner you can get help, and the quicker the campus or other authorities can take action to stop the conduct and prevent its reoccurrence. Whoever you may choose to report an incident to, the information will be kept private to the greatest extent possible. Your school has established procedures for handling complaints of sexual discrimination, harassment, and violence. While an investigation is underway, the college will offer you such assistance such as counseling, academic and housing options, and additional security. The school can also issue a no-contact directive to prevent the accused from approaching or interacting with you. Here are some hints to preventing sexual violence and date rape. Number 1. Don't leave someone alone if they're drunk or high. Number 2. Never let someone you don't know into your home or housing. Number 3. Don't let anybody engage in sexual activity with someone who is unconscious, drunk, or high. Number 4. Remember to check with friends and leave with them. Number 5. Pick a designated driver and observer who will stay sober at the party. Number 6. Offer help, such as calling the police or helping with reporting the situation. College is a great place to make some fantastic memories. So make friends. Have a blast and be responsible. Your health and safety is very important to us here at Three Rivers College.